how to find push notification settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find push notifications settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and now just click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings and then notifications, and here just go down until you find this one, push notifications, and then click push notifications again if you want to turn it on, and you can turn it off if you want, or you can manage here anything you want. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.